Hello everyone and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having. And we are having high impact news all the day. So most likely I'm not anticipating the price to be having a quite a volatile move. But London Open can be really volatile. So let's move to the charts now. So now this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low, but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly levels. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't get below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently, we are into a sideways zone into the monthlies. So I have marked that the price had taken the high of the previous monthly candle. So maybe we can see a downward direction move into the smaller time frames. So now let's move to the weeklies for a detailed picture. Now this is the weekly chart and what we can see is the price had taken the high of the previous week and moved into the downward direction, and what do we have is we are having this FVG into the market. So most likely if we are going to follow the trend into the smaller time frames, we can take the low of the previous week. So now let's move to the dailies for a more detailed picture. Now this is the daily chart and what do we have here is we can see that the high was taken by the market, these equal highs, and the price reacted from this unmitigated wick and moved into the downward direction. Currently, we have nothing unmitigated or the FVG available here, so most likely I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 4 hours for a precise picture. Now this is the 4-hour chart and what we can see is I am looking at this level as a weak low. And why a weak low? I'll be justifying it. We have this unmitigated FVG. So most likely if the price is going to respond from this unmitigated FVG, then we can see an upside move, or if this is disrespected, most likely we are going to follow the higher time frames FVG. So that might be confusing. So let's move to the 1 hours for some clarity. So what do we have is that there was a strong low into the 1 hour and the price had to react from this zone, and the price did react as I had predicted yesterday. I mean anticipated yesterday, but it was unable to break this flip zone. So the price moved into the downward direction and currently we are respecting this flip zone and moving into the downward direction, and I'm anticipating the price to move till this level. So let's move to the 30 minutes for today's bias or today's trade plan. So what do we have in 30 minutes actually is the price had reacted from this flip zone and moved into the downward direction, and this is the 15-minute now that we can see that the price had reacted from this FVG, made this a strong high and moved into the downward direction. So most likely I'm anticipating the price that if we are going to take the Asia low, we are going to react from this high and then we are going to move into the downward direction from possibly this candle over here. So this will be the overall trade plan for today. I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and take possibly this low. So this is pretty much it, and thank you for watching.